Hey guys, we're ready for another craft, and since Easter's coming up, I thought we'd do an Easter themed craft. So we are going to be making paper peeps. In your craft kit, it's going to be very simple this time. You're just going to have a template like this and a piece of construction paper. That's all. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to take this template and you're going to cut out all those pieces. Technically you just need one circle, but you can cut them all out if you like this. Then you'll take, and on that colored piece of paper, you will trace all those out, so then you can cut them out. You'll have all your little pieces like this, and this is where I traced that circle on the construction paper, and now I'm just going to cut it out. So then you'll have 4 circles and then the bunny shape. What you'll do then is you'll take all 4 of those circles and fold them in half. So they make a half circle. Then you'll take your glue and you're going to glue those half circles back to back. So they still make that half circle shape, and they're just going to be stacked right on top of each other. Still looks like that, but they're all stacked together. Now, last thing you'll do is those outside edges, go ahead and put glue on those as well, because now you're going to let that fold open and you're going to glue it right on the belly of that bunny rabbit. So now it looks like this. Then the last thing to do is you'll take a pencil, a pen, or a crayon, and you'll just put some eyes and a nose. And if you want to, you can put some whiskers on your bunny. Now it looks like that. Now you have your own construction paper peep.